Let us draw this component, and the first thing you have to start by drawing the center line. So you have to use line or per line commands. Let us use line, and if ortho is not on, you have to on ortho mode to draw a perfect straight line. Then after draw the first line, you have to draw the first vertical line also. Let us keep it here. Then next, what you are going to do, you have to draw the first inner circle with diameter of 80.637. So you have to go to circle command, circle diameter with diameter of 18.37 units. After finishing that, you can draw the outer circle with diameter of 48.86. So diameter, again 48.86 units. After drawing this one, next you have to this one is the middle part, but we have to go for this part. It is easier to go here. It is 110.95 units from the center of the circle. So offset, let us offset this vertical line 110.95 units to the right. So offset command, offset distance, you have to give 110.95 units. Right, then after that 110.95 units here. Then here we'll find the first one, this inner little semicircle with a radius of 3.67 units. We can draw that one first. So let's go circles, center radius command, and radius of 3.67 units. 3.67 units. We draw the inner circle. Then after that, as is shown here, there is 27.992 units between the center of this semicircle and the center of another semicircle. So to do that, we have to divide from the center line. We have to move like half of this 27.92 units. So to find the half of this part, 27.92 divided by 2, it will be 13.96. So 13.96 units offset command, 13.96 units, right? So 13.96 down. So you can trim this portion. So that means we have to use this point as a center and this point as a center, and we can create this semicircle, right? So this semicircle has radius of 9.18 units. So center radius with 9.18 units, like this. So after creating this part with radius of 9.18 units, so you can trim this portion, like trim, because we need the outer part. So you can trim this one now. This is the portion, and here also you can trim this part because we need the inner portion as is shown here. Then next, what you are going to do, we can define this curve here. This curve, if you see this curve, it is with radius of 38.5 units. But if you look at the center is just not from here. It is going down here and using this point, or this point is the center. That means this point is the center. And go to center radius and hold it here, this one as a center, and you have to measure 38.58 units. So this is the curve what we need. So this is the curve. Then you can trim these unwanted portions like this. So we need this curve here. That means this is the curve. Then after finishing this one, as is shown here, there is another curve with radius of 24.6 units. So it is starting from this point. So that means we can start from this point and we can create the upper part. This is for the bottom part, and here for the upper part, and you can use this as a center. So that means we can use center radius, and you can use this one as a center, and we have to use 24.62 as a radius. So that means here, from here, circle with radius of 24.62 units, right? 24.62 62 units. We define this circle. Then next, what you are going to do, just go to here. If you see this one, this has a fillet of 36.74 units. So go to fillet command, and you have to define fillet radius. The fillet radius is 36.74 units. Then you have to go here, click here, and click there. So as it is shown here, we created this curve. As it is shown here, this curve is created. And here also you have to define this offset, the same thing with 36.74 units. 36.74 units, enter the same thing. Then you have to fillet this one also. Now we created this part. Here also you can remove unwanted portions from this part. As it is shown here, there is a space between this thing. So this is the space. And also we don't need this one. And this line is just intersect with the midline. Then we don't need this one. And we can also extend this line like this, extend, and we can trim the other portion. You can trim this one. It is shown here. Next, what we are going to do, just we have to extend this line here, which means the center of this, from this center to this line. We can draw another line, and we can trim this one, and we can draw a vertical line like this down, and here we can extend this portion like this. And after extending, we can trim this part. Next, what you are going to do, just you can remove this portion below the midpoint. You can remove this one, the portions of this object below the midpoint. Then next, choose all of this part. Then go to mirror command, and you have to give mirror center just like this. And as just shown here, we created the final part. If you remove unwanted portions from this part, we already finished the part. We created this one, and if you want to change this one into center lines, you can use another layer, and you can change this one into some other layer. So as it is shown here, we created the part.